All new Fire HD 10 Kids Edition Tablet 10.1 1080p Full HD display, 32GB, blue kid-proof case. Save up to $99 on a full-featured Fire HD 10 tablet, not a toy, 1 year of Amazon Free Time Unlimited, a kid-proof case with built-in stand, and 2-year worry-free guarantee versus items purchased separately. 2-year worry-free guarantee, if it breaks, return it and we'll replace it for free. The included 1 year of Amazon Free Time Unlimited gives your kids access to over 20,000 apps, games, books, videos, Audible books, and educational content from PBS Kids, Nickelodeon, Disney, and more. Your subscription will then automatically renew every month starting at just $2.99 per month plus applicable tax. You may cancel at any time by visiting the Amazon parent dashboard or contacting customer service. Create screen time limits, set educational goals, and filter content with easy-to-use parental controls. Stream through Wi-Fi or view downloaded content on the go with 32GB of internal storage and up to 12 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching video, and listening to music. Add a microSD card for up to 512GB of additional storage. Now with USB-C and faster charging. Includes a USB-C cable and 9W power adapter in the box. Free Time Unlimited includes thousands of Spanish language books, videos, apps, games, and Audible books. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.